Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by laying the foundation. Choose a primed surface and sand it smooth so texture adheres predictably. Mix 1 acrylic base with 0.5 pigment paste for body. This gives the Gubby texture volume. Apply a thin base coat and let it flash dry. Once done, add the contrasting color while the base is slightly tacky to encourage pulling and ridges. Make sure to work with a palette knife at low angles. The motion creates the irregular, Gubby peaks you want. Now you build the middle layers. Apply 2 to 4 textured passes, changing direction to avoid uniformity. Use the palette knife to drag and lift for peaks, then stipple with a stiff brush to break up hard edges. If the surface gobs, mist with a spray bottle to encourage flowing without losing peaks. Once each layer skins over, scrape sparingly to reveal undercolor. This is how depth forms. Make sure to balance soft blending with crisp ridges. This contrast defines the Gubby look. Finish by selectively smoothing zones while keeping peaks pronounced. This guides the eye. Let the piece cure for 24 to 48 hours, then seal with 1 thin varnish coat. Choose gloss for shine or matte to subdue glare. If things go wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. If the texture looks flat, remix paste with a small amount of base and reintroduce ridges with the knife. If cracking appears, switch to thinner layers and allow longer drying between passes to relieve stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.